So on a day when Hayden's not here, I wake up not so bright and early. I get dressed, I put on my sunglasses, I put on my shoes, and then I go outside, expecting to see sunshine. But today, it's raining. So then, I go inside, I sit on the couch for what feels like forever, but really, it was only 12 seconds. I looked all over Netflix for a TV show or a movie, but I can't find anything I want to watch. So I played a song to set the mood for the rest of this video. A video that I'm gonna call A Rainy Day Without Hayden. I finally decided, rain or no rain, I've got to get out of this house. I guess I'll drive to the lake. I do that a lot when I'm bored. Oh, by the way, this is where me and Hayden filmed that pick up your trash video. Did I break my camera? I don't think so. Someone's fishing on a rainy day. Wow. I'm starting to get really, really hungry. Can I get a number one, just the burger?
Alright, did you want a mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup on that?
Mayonnaise. They just asked me to pull to the other side because it's raining. I've been standing out in the rain all day. Thank you.
Here you go. Have a good day.
I do not recommend that you eat a burger here. So I just got back home. And I'm all kind of wet, so I'm gonna get in some dry clothes and I guess just maybe sit around here and play my guitar some more. I don't know. It's just been a super boring day and a boring video. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then you should check out the ones that Hayden and I make together. They're usually way more exciting than this.